Welcome to English Speedcast.
Good morning. Welcome to Hotel Bella Luna. How can I help you today?
Hello, do you have any rooms available?
Yes, we have rooms available.
What types of rooms do you have?
We have single rooms, double rooms, and deluxe rooms.
What is the price per night?
It starts from €80 per night.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included.
What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Do you offer free Wi-Fi?
Yes, we offer free high-speed Wi-Fi.
Is there a city tax?
Yes, €3 per person per night.
Do you have any discounts?
Yes, we offer a 10% online booking discount.
Can I see the room first?
Yes, I can show you the room.
Is the room quiet?
Yes, it is very quiet.
Does the room have air conditioning?
Yes, it has air conditioning.
Does the room have a balcony?
Some rooms have a balcony.
Is there a private bathroom?
Yes, all rooms have private bathrooms.
Do you have airport pickup service?
Yes, we do. It costs €35.
How far is the hotel from the city center?
It is 10 minutes by bus.
Is the hotel close to public transport?
Yes, the bus stop is 2 minutes away.
Can I check in early?
Early check-in depends on availability.
What time is check-in?
Check-in is at 2 p.m.
What time is check-out?
Check-out is at 11 a.m.
Can I leave my luggage after check-out?
Yes, you can leave it for free.
Is there a restaurant in the hotel?
Yes, we have a restaurant on the ground floor.
Do you have 24-hour reception?
Yes, we are open 24/7.
Is there parking available?
Yes, we have private parking.
Is parking free?
No, parking costs €10 per day.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept all major cards.
How can I cancel my booking?
You can cancel online or email us.
Is cancellation free?
Yes, if you cancel 24 hours before arrival.
Do you offer room service?
Yes, from 12 p.m. to 10 p.m.
Can you recommend places to visit?
Yes, I can give you a city map with top spots.
Okay, I want to book the room.
Great. Please give me your passport.
Great. Your room is now booked, Miss Sarah.
Thank you. That was fast.
You're welcome. Here is your room key. You'll be in room 204 on the second floor.
Perfect. How do I get there?
Just take the elevator on your right. Your room will be the third door on the left.
Got it. Thank you so much.
If you need anything, extra towels, directions, or tourist tips, just call the front desk.
I will. I appreciate your help.
Enjoy your stay at Hotel Bella Luna and have a wonderful time in Italy.
Thank you. I'm excited to explore.
Anytime. Have a lovely day, Miss Sarah.
You too.